Well, I managed to cut a whole lot of wood and get a fire started. We've got some nice coals happening there. Hey babe, what do you want for dinner?
Lasagna!
Awesome!
So let's see if Adi can pull off this lasagna in the camp oven.
So, she wants lasagna cooked in a camp oven. I reckon I can pull it off.
I can't wait. I've been hungry for it all week.
Alright, I've never done this before in a camp oven, but I reckon I can do it. So, let's start off with preparing some vegetables. We'll chop our onions. Alright, now this is going to be absolutely amazing. Now, this does require 3 camp ovens. I've got the bolognese sauce in this one. Oh, that looks amazing. I've got the bechamel sauce in this one here. And I've got a 3rd camp oven. And we're going to build our lasagna in this one. So, the way it works is try to not set fire to the handle, or do it this way. Now you don't need to use 3 camp ovens, you can just pour the lasagna out of your camp oven into something else and then build your lasagna in your camp oven, but I happen to have 3 of these things, so I may as well use it. So let's get to work. Right, now you always put a little bit of lasagna down the bottom so that it doesn't stick, so just a little bit. Ooh, it's nice and hot. That's nice and hot. It isn't too hot. Probably a little too hot. Now, the way that this works is you get a plate, pour some water in there, not a lot, just a little bit of water. Then we get our lasagna sheet. Soak it in the water just momentarily and start layering it on the bottom. It doesn't matter if the lasagna sheets overlap a little bit. Okay. Then we get our sauce. Drizzle some sauce over that. Some cheese. Oh, I like a lot of cheese. And then another layer of lasagna. Bolognese, sorry. Oh, that smells amazing. You get your lasagna sheets, do the same trick, soak it in the water. These are instant lasagna sheets, by the way. I'm using these things here. And you might be wondering why I'm soaking it in the water. Well, just to get them a little bit wet and help the cooking process. After all, it is pasta. A little bit more. bolognese. Oh, it's going to be amazing. Now everything, and I mean everything, cooked over the campfire is way better than cooking it in your kitchen at home. Gets a nice smoky smell to it. Smoky taste, smoky smell. It's so much better. Oops, that missed the mark, didn't it? Oh, I would have liked to have had more cheese, but that's all I've got. Oh, there's still some sauce left. Right. To be honest, the sauce should have gone on next and then the cheese on top of the sauce, but I kind of screwed that up, but that's okay. It's going to taste amazing nevertheless. Right. Lid on. And the campfire, and get some coals going on top of it. And now we wait for about 15-20 minutes until it's done. Can't wait, it's going to be amazing. Hey Susie, how you going?
Hey Addie, how you doing?
Living the dream. Dinner will be ready very soon.
That's good because I'm hungry.
You said you wanted a lasagna, and
Yes.
the lasagna I have provided you.
That's good. We shall see.
Oh, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. All right, the moment of truth. I'm absolutely starving. Let's have a look. All right. This is our lasagna. You wanted lasagna, Susie?
Yes.
Here is your lasagna. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. All right, let's have a look. I'm gonna have to use a ladle because that's all I've got. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful. Camp Oven Lasagna. Yum. I've got nothing. I've got no words. I'm starving. Let's eat.
So let's see Addie's lasagna. Oh my god, beautiful. That is so good.
Yeah.
You have to make it every time we go camp. I know it was hard work, but this is absolutely amazing.
All right. Well, Susie reckons this is good. So let's see. Let's see. Oh my god, that's good. It tastes like lasagna, but it tastes smoky because it was cooked on a campfire. And everything cooked on a campfire is always better. And this is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. The best lasagna I ever made, I think.